Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun game and it is called Swing It Out. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't go anywhere. In this game, Swing It Out, the only items you're going to need are 2 baskets or buckets if you have it available, 1 long stick, some string, as well as some sock balls. Those are the only items you'll need for this activity. If you wanted to incorporate some type of math, you could definitely do that. So let's say somebody made a sock ball in here and they got 1 point for making it in the blue, and they made another one in, that's another positive point, so they get 2 points. But however, let's say they made a sock ball in the red. So they had 1 point, 2 points in the blue, but they made 1 in the red, they could subtract and make an addition type problem, okay? So you guys could differentiate it that way, add some math into it, that'd be pretty awesome. All right, so for this round, I have 10 sock balls, so my goal is to get it inside any of these baskets. Jordan will be spinning in a clockwise manner, so as soon as I run out my sock balls, my turn will be over. Start turning, Jordan. Going clockwise, clockwise. Clockwise, Jordan is gonna go.
I made it. This is not hard. This is not hard at all. You call this hard? Done.
All right, so folks, if you didn't see it, up close, Jordan made 3. So he had 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna try it with addition and subtraction. So again, blue is gonna be our addition. So if I make it a sock ball in the blue, it's worth 1 point. If I make it in the red, that's minus a point. Okay, so stay tuned. Jordan's up, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and turn. And his 10 shots, he scored 2 points. Going clockwise, clockwise. All right, I got 2 points as well. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Swing It Out. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment.
At the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.